Ball joints are a pivot point in the suspension that allow vertical suspension travel and horizontal steering movement at the same time. The ball joint connects a mounting point on the steering knuckle to the control arm assembly. There are three types of ball joints used on vehicles: low-friction sealed ball joints, steel-on-steel ball joints that require greasing, and steel-on-steel ball joints equipped with a wear indicator. In a low-friction sealed ball joint, the ball stud is sealed inside a polymer bearing encased in a sealed housing, and lubrication is not required. In a steel-on-steel ball joint, the ball stud is protected by a rubber boot and is mounted inside a steel housing. There is a steel bearing underneath the ball stud and a tension spring with a grease fitting mounted through the bottom. It requires lubrication at regular intervals. In a steel-on-steel ball joint with a wear indicator, the ball stud is also protected by a rubber boot inside a steel housing. As long as the wear indicator is exposed, the ball joint is still in good condition. When the wear indicator is no longer protruding at all, the ball joint is worn out and needs to be replaced. If the rubber boot is cut, cracked, or split, grease can leak out and the ball joint needs to be replaced. If the ball joint is worn out on your vehicle, you could experience a metallic clicking, popping, or snapping sound when turning. When you drive over bumps or turn a corner, you could hear a thud. The tire could lean out at the top in a condition known as positive camber, or it could lean inward toward the vehicle, known as negative camber. Loose ball joints contribute to uneven tire wear and can cause an unsafe sticking steering condition.